Hey everyone! Welcome back to Dreamscape Self-Care, where we explore the art of living mindfully. Today, we are diving into designing 2025 vision board, manifesting your dream life. Before diving into the video, please like and subscribe to my channel, since 2025 is here, and it's time to turn your dreams into reality. Imagine waking up every day inspired and focused on your goals. That's the magic of a vision board. Today, I'll show you how to create a powerful vision board that keeps you motivated all year long. In this video, we'll go through the following chapters: defining your goals, gathering inspiration, creating your board, and activating your vision. Let's manifest your best life. Step 1. Define your goals. Start by getting clear on what you want in 2025. Is it better health, a dream job, financial freedom, or simply more happiness? Write down your top 5 goals and don't be afraid to dream big. Remember, clarity is key. Be specific about what you want to achieve. Step 2. Gather inspiration. Next, collect images, quotes, and symbols that resonate with your goals. Use old magazines, Pinterest, or even print pictures that inspire you. For example, if traveling is your goal, find photos of your dream destinations. If it's self-love, include uplifting quotes that spark joy. Step 3. Create your board. Now, it's time to bring your vision to life. Take a corkboard, poster board, or even a digital template. Arrange your images and quotes in a way that feels exciting and personal. Make sure to leave space for updates because your vision will grow as you do. Step 4. Activate your vision. Place your vision board where you'll see it daily: your desk, bedroom wall, or phone wallpaper. Take a moment each day to visualize yourself achieving these goals. Feel the emotions of success. It's the secret ingredient to manifesting. That's it. Your 2025 vision board is your guide to an incredible year. If you're ready to create yours, hit that like button and share your goals in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiration. Together, we'll make 2025 unforgettable.
See you next time.